Hi, my name is Jordan Olson, and I am the director of the LCI Arts Academy Dance Program. So we are the luckiest people in Lethbridge right now because we have the amazing duo Gadfly, Apolonia, and Ofilio from Toronto. They are the most incredible dancers and choreographers. They have a company called Gadfly, and they have flown all the way here from Toronto to teach the students at LCI, the Academy students, 2 workshop classes followed by an 8-hour-long creative process where they will be making a dance for our spring showcase in March. They've just expanded their artistic and dance vocabulary in the last 2 days. Apolonia and Ofilio are such ingenious artists, and they've just shared so much knowledge with the kids, so I feel like the kids have grown by miles in the last 2 days. Yeah, so they're creating a piece of choreography for our spring showcase in March. It's a 5-minute long piece, and it will somehow involve all 50 Academy dancers. I'm very curious to see how they will fit that many people in one piece of choreography, but they're masters at what they do, so I'm sure they'll be great. Please come see our show in March. It's last week in March at the Yates, and we'll have lots of posters around town, and there'll be information on our LCI website, so please come and watch. If you would like more information, you can always follow us on Instagram at LCI AA Dance. The AAA stands for Arts Academy.